Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Turkey e-visa online. So this is helpful because you can get your visa quickly without going to an embassy, and the whole process can be done from your phone or your laptop. So first open up your browser and search for Turkey e-visa application. So once you see the official website, tap on it and open the page. And when the site loads, look for the option that says apply now and tap on it to begin. Next, you'll be asked to choose your country or region, your travel document type, and enter the security code shown on the screen. After that, tap Save and Continue. On the next page, enter your travel details like your arrival date in Turkey, and make sure that this matches your actual travel plan, then tap Continue. Now, you'll fill out your personal information, enter your full name, date of birth, passport details, and contact information exactly as shown on your passport. So double check everything before moving forward to avoid any mistakes. After that, review all the information that you entered. If everything looks correct, confirm and proceed to payment. Next, complete the payment using the available method on the website. So once the payment is successful, your application will be processed. After a few minutes, you'll receive your e-visa by email. Download it and keep a copy on your phone or print it so that you can show it when you arrive in Turkey. And that is it. Your Turkey e-visa is ready. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.